Hi, teachers. So I've had tons of questions about how to create activities in Google Drive so that you can assign them to your kids and have each kiddo have their own copy of the activity so they can complete it and turn it in. So here's just a couple of examples. What I'm showing you now, they're called HyperDocs, or in this case, a Hyper Slideshow. And basically what that means is it has links to outside websites, and the kids kind of can toggle back and forth between a outside website and their Google Slides, and they can fill in information. So you'll see here, this was a lesson I created for, I believe, second grade, urban, suburban, and rural communities. And these are the things that the kids are going to do. They're going to go to Google Maps, and they can add images, and they can determine whether the location is urban, suburban, or rural. So you can see here where I added a link to Google Maps. So you can click on the link. It will take them right to San Antonio, and they can view the images here. And they would be able to take some of those pictures and put them into their template, determine the answers to the questions, and so on. So you can see how this type of activity can be done for many different subject areas. Really all the subject areas, and you can see how it's more fun, it's more interactive than doing just a worksheet. So here are a couple of additional activities or examples, just so that you can see. Here's, I believe, a fifth grade one where they have a website for the kids to go to research. So the kids would go to this website and say what the advantages or disadvantages are of that type of energy. So there's a fifth grade example. Here's a reading example. I did not create this one. I just found this online. I just searched for HyperDocs, and this is from Mo Willems, the author. And so you can see how she's just added some activities for the kids to do, some cause and effect, and explaining. And so the way that this would work is, once you've created the template, then you're going to, or maybe you've taken someone else's, so that you can see this is view only. I would want to do file, make a copy to save that to my Google Drive. And once I've done that, I can go to my class, and I'm going to jump out of here so you can see from the beginning. I'm going to click create assignment, and I would want to add that as a Google Drive link. So I'm going to click Google Drive, and I'm going to find the document or the Google Slides that I created. Here's that second grade example, and I'm going to click add. And the key here is to change this to make a copy for each student. So each one of your kids gets the template and is able to do their research and type into that template and turn it into you. Please let me know if you have any ideas or any questions about how to create something interactive for your students in place of a worksheet.